And then we played out scenes as if she had lived. Is it her?
I missed you, brother.
Can you go in there? I missed you too, sis. And tell me if it's her.
Claudia.
You. What now, Daddy Lou?
I can't get her out of my mind.
Standing there in front of me.
You have the same problem. You will regret this for the rest of your life.
Then I realize you're just
I can't, Louis.
I look like her. I look just like her, don't I?
fragment of my mind.
We gonna be a family. How cool that?
144 years of life.
I take daughters with no homes. I can pay off your debts.
She will be at war with herself.
And I put them out on the street.
$1,000.
And I lie to myself saying that I'm giving them roof and food and dollar bills in their pocket. 100,000.
5 times that.
When I look in the mirror, I know what I am.
Selfish bastard.
Still Louis the Pimp.
Mountains and valleys every day of her life. I don't care. Well, you must care.
Paying a whore to sit in a room and talk with you.
Anybody spends 5 minutes with me, they know that.
And she'll be what? A lapdog.
We can get you a part.
But put on a yellow dress and sit in your lap.
Dog.
No, none of
Yeah,
that.
all of that.
Her daughter, she looked at me at the end.
One more round in the stormy romance of you two!
Like a child.
Here's the money, get in my Escalade, be my dead daughter.
You're again to suggest a hip injury that she never suffered.
Never been about me.
It was never you.
She had a heart murmur, you don't.
But I look like her.
It's not her. It's not anything like her. Don't see this person again.